Happy day 89 of day trading the stock market. Open in a small account. All right, we don't have too much moving this morning. Watching RSLS and oh, what is that? Got a short going on. That's garb. Watching RSLS and watching SOAR. So let's see. What are we gonna do here? VWAP's at 307 on RSLS. And on SOAR, oops, what's going on here? On SOAR, we got a peak right after VWAP at about 360. So we'll see. We'll see what's going on. Not loving anything really this morning, so I guess I'll be patient. I updated my Dash Trader yesterday for the first time in like over a year. So should fix any. I don't think I was really having any bug fixes until I noticed the clock was late by like 15 seconds yesterday. So maybe I got to do that on my traveling trading station too. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea. Okay. All right, SOAR looking pretty tough that minute before the open. Looks like the clock is fixed. That's good. Go ahead, SOAR. Come on down. Lower band's at 3, RSLS. Lower band's at 260. We also have a 200-day moving average down there near RLS's lower band and a daily level. So this bounce area would be absolutely huge. Would be beautiful. All right. Looks like this might try to inverse hammer here. VWAP's at 306. Come on, RSLS. Give us a chance at the flush. And we have SOAR trying to come up and test VWAP if that can make a 1 minute. All right, no flush, no opening flush. At least not yet. That dip got bought up pretty quick there on SOAR. All right, RSLS, come on. 260, you gotta come down quick though. 265, 286, 284, 84. 30 seconds until a new minute. What's the stock market going to give us today, huh? There's 280. Needs to come down another 20 cents. 279. Nope, no love. What's the stock market going to give the day traders today, eh, boys and girls? What's up, Tracy? Much love. 365. Still digging this level over here, RSLS 264. 20 more cents. Come on. 30 seconds until a new minute. I don't want you to bleed out here. I want you to come touch it. Bounce off that 200-day moving average. Halt down for SOAR is 273. Lower band right above 5 or 3, right above 3 at 305. This one's gonna flush first. Small buyer at 280 just got eaten on RSLS. Okay. Backside, no love. Backside, no love. Let's change up the scanner real quick. And NEHC, interesting. This was not on my scans pre-market, probably because it started as a penny. Whoop, whoop, little more, Soar, little more. Come on. You were close. You were close to doing it. You were close to falling out. Well, you fell out, I mean, the lower band though. What is this? NEHC. We could do a little something with that NEHC. Not the greatest triangle. Let's keep an eye out for the bounce on Soar. I think it comes in test 3. That bounced off of 311. All right, RSLS is going to come test VWAP here. Let's see if some buyers, and my zoom is not working. Sweet. Let's see if some buyers come in. NEHC. What's your news, NEHC? What's your halt down level, NEHC? NEHC. There we go, RSLS through VWAP. Halt down 84 cents, lower band at 82 cents. Your news is joint venture with sharing AI. All right. AI news. Kind of a decent or recent stock. All right, NEHC, what are you gonna do? I can't lower band you because you're gonna halt down first. 84 cents is halt down. Could try to snag your false halt. Or we could just try to lower band Soar here. Bands make good dance. Bands make good dance. All right, pivot point here, RSLS. There we go, zooms back in action. That would be the VWAP bounce right there. Ooh, man, that VWAP bounce would have been pretty. That was classic. I'm a classic man. $311, $310. Uh-oh, I don't think I got it. Got it. Got it. Beautiful, took half. I tried to go fishing a little bit near 3, ended up getting it at 303, and I was like, that's close enough to 3. I mean, I can absolutely risk that. So 310, gonna sell everything if it doesn't hold. Got a new minute in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it did sell everything. Bruh. What happened? I thought that was my... Yo. That hotkey did not work the way it was supposed to work, and that might be because of my Dash Trader update I did. Oh, that went exactly at 10 cents. But that hotkey is only supposed to sell half at 10 cents, so I can let the other half kind of ride if there's more, if there's more buying pressure. So that's kind of sucks, not gonna lie. But $45 trade, so I'll take it. I'm happy with it. This RSLS looks like it might be trying to make a move here. Another very nice VWAP bounce. So that's kind of a bummer, not gonna lie. I thought I was holding more shares to this 317 area. So let's see if we catch this RSLS anyways. This is bouncing pretty nice. I want to fire another hotkey because I want to see if it's going to work the way it's supposed to. I'm a classic man. Okay, RSLS. I wonder if it's because I hammered both of the hotkeys though. I hammered the bid and then I hammered the ask, but I thought hammering the ask would have canceled my bid. I'm going to have to review the tape on that one. I'm going to have to review the tape on that. I'm going to have to watch that YouTube trade again. Some of the benefits of recording your trades. Because so it didn't cancel the first half and then I hit the key again and it added another half. Of course, that'd be the full position at that point. It's looking pretty thick up here, RSLS. Looking pretty tough. 2-cent spread. Didn't realize that. Okay. There's sell half up there at 20 cents or so. All right, took an $8 bounce there. All right, I got to review these hotkeys. I think that's normal because on my low share size, I like to let it run a little bit more. So that's normal. And wow, that would have been a nice bounce to hold. Too bad I was just kind of testing my hotkeys. Not really looking for a trade. But here's the 1 minute to make a new high. I'm at 333. Watching soar. And soar not giving the bounce. Soar not giving the bounce. All right, well, I'm almost out of cheddar. I guess I could take another trade if I really wanted to, but happy with the day. I wish I could have held this one a little bit longer because I still thought I was holding through this area. I obviously was not. The whole position sold, so I got to go back and watch that YouTube clip to see what that that floating sell order was doing. But we can recap this real quick. So there was not a lot going on in the market today, so unfortunately we had to take a backside trade. Took the lower band bounce off of SOAR. I tried to hit the bid, so my bid hotkey is bid -3. So just in case it falls a little bit more, I kind of throw my line out. I try to go fishing for a better price. It didn't get filled. I noticed the stock was at 303. I immediately hit the buy ask button. I was like, it's close enough to 3. You know, I can risk 3 cents. That's not a big deal. And I got filled and took a nice bounce trade for $45 there. Again, I need to review that trade to see if that sell half was a issue there, because I thought it was just gonna sell. You know, my normal sell half at 10 cents. It got this 10 cents and then all my position was gone. And then tested a different hotkey over here for a different share size for this VWAP bounce. Just took a really quick bounce because, again, that was just a test. And, of course, I wasn't really expecting that to go from 310 331. I wasn't even really focused on the actual trade itself. I was really just focused on where the sell order was, and then I just hit the sell button after I realized that it was up 20 cents on that one, which that's normal. That's normal for that share size hotkey. So that's it for me. Hope y'all have a good day. Drop a like, drop a comment, let me know how you guys did. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace.